My next project I'm going to be working on is this little side table. Right now it's a burgundy or maroon color, and I'm going to paint it white for my daughter. So I'm gonna do a light sanding of it, and once I do the light sanding, I'll wipe it down, and of course I'll take off the hardware and everything, and let you know how this turns out. This is going to be just a quick little project that she asked me to do because she changed the colors of her living room. So I gave my table a little light sanding, so and wiped it down. So I'm getting ready to use this paint and primer, and it's just white. I had them put a little bright white in there to make it a little bit brighter than normal. So I'm going to paint it, and I pulled the drawer out, and so I didn't even realize that was a drawer. I thought it was just one full piece. Pull the drawer out, so I'll get that all painted up, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have done my third coat, and I just finished putting a top coat of polyurethane on top of this. So I think it's going to turn out pretty good. I'll take a final picture of what it looks like in the space. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, so here is the final look at the table. I think it turned out great. And so it has a nice little spot there. We'll probably find a lamp or something to put on it, but I think it just turned out beautiful once I got the polyurethane on it. So thanks for watching.